today I'm making a clothes rail holder for Matilda. She's asked me to do it, and I'm going to just do it out of stuff that I've got. So this wood was dropped off for me. Thank you very much. These were offcuts, can you believe, from a building. They were just going to throw them away, and somebody grabbed them for me and dropped them off, so thank you very much for that. And the bottom bit is just going to be made out of pallet wood. So I cut 4 pieces first of all, and these were the length that came. So there was only 4 long pieces that came with the stuff that got chopped off. So I've just done the height of the rail with the wood that I've got, because I've not got any longer, but I think it'll be fine. So I'm just going to start sanding it off. I like round edges, so I'm just going to round all the edges round and then smooth it down, because it's obviously a bit rough. This is just cheap wood, it's modern wood, but as I say, it's free, so it'll do the job. I don't know what to do or where to go. I'm walking down this road, banjo in tow, looking for you. Shoo-doo-be-doo. I don't know where to go, which turn to take. And then just measure the same distance on each piece of wood so I could put a bolt through. So it's starting to come together here, the idea. I've found this old broomstick. Just check that you can see, because I'm on my own doing this because Matilda's not about. Found this old broomstick, that's all it is. I'm going to clean that up. And that, at the moment, will go onto there. That's it at the moment. A bit wobbly, obviously. But yeah, it's coming together. Quite pleased with that, actually. And one's obviously a bit wider than the other, that's why it looks a bit lopsided. There we go. But it's coming together. Pleased with that. I think I put it a bit narrow because otherwise it's got a massive base, and she's got a very small dance room. It'll take up things. So I think I'll put them really quite narrow together. So now I'm going to make the base, and I've really no idea what I'm doing at the moment, but I'll just go along with it. And this is, as I say, that's going to go over either side. So I think the width of the plank from the pallet wood, the length, sorry, is about right to make the base. So that's what I'm going to work on next. So these are the only 2 bits I've been given that have got any real length about them to make like a frame for the bottom. So I'm going to cut them and make them into smaller pieces so I can make a frame for the bottom. I'm walking down this road, banjo in tow, looking for you. I'm just getting the sides on it now. I've measured it. It's level. I can't decide whether to fix it on now because it's fairly sturdy, because I wanted to put some feet on and that'd be a lot harder work for me. But I think because of my level of carpentry, I'm just going to build it round it, and then I know it's right because I know the top is level now. So I'm just going to fix it all on. Fix the feet on. Fix these on, and I'm going to put a middle support in as well to strengthen it. So that's the stage that I'm at the moment, so you can just see me screwing it on. Right, that's it. So I'll just go around now and put screws all the way around to hold it on, because I'll just put 1 in. I'm going to put 2 in altogether. But if I've put 1 in and then I find out I've got a mistake, I've only got 1 to take out, haven't I? So I'll just put it in 1 round, and then I'll strengthen it with 2 screws. So we're getting on so far, and the main thing is we are level. Keep still. We are, wherever we are, I can't see them here. We are level. So that's the main thing. So I've already got it really, really solid. I'm really over the moon with it. And I was going to put a middle piece in to secure it. And I still think I am going to put a middle piece in. I don't know why, but I just think I am. So it'll just make it that little bit sturdier. So that's 11.5. from what I say is, if you're never going to do anything because you think, oh, well, people will say this about the joints and this and that, you'll never get going, because I'll never be as good as Billy. I'm fully aware of that. I'll never be as good as Billy. And most people won't ever be as good as Billy. I mean, even George Clark said he was gobsmacked by him, and that was when he was 17. So, you know, he's got a lot more experience now. So I just get on and do it. And it is what it is. And it's more the finished result for me, because I know I've got a few crap joints. But once I finish it and you've got the clothes on, it doesn't matter as long as it's sturdy. I'm more bothered about it being level, because I haven't got the skill. So don't worry what anybody says. I'm sure people watch this video, carpenters, and they'll just think we're absolute idiots. But, you know, they're not putting your clothes up, are they? You know, they're not giving you any money or anything. So just get on and do it. That's what I do. Don't care what anybody says, basically. Because this is going to be super, and it's free. So if you do enough things, people, you know, majority of people, you know, want to help other people. So people know us and they think, oh, well, they'll use it. You know, they'll recycle it. So you get stuff like all this wood. All this is free. What you're looking at is free. And just got the pallet wood, and I didn't even have to cut it. It was the same length as the pallet wood. And so I just screwed the planks on around the outsides. Well, it's coming together now. Let's get to start on the lid. Oh, why will that work? Oh, like that, I suppose it's supposed to do that. No, I don't think it is. Anyway, a bit of glue on there. See what it's like. Which way around that is that way. Just tack that on. So you can see. You're going to be pleased with this. It's been a lot of work. Nice and solid. Right, start on the lid. I'm just kind of working out how to do this. So to say this is just old pallet wood. I think I'll probably... There's a gap there, so I'll have to work out what I'm going to do with that. Probably just fill it in. I might put it on the edge of... Anyway, I'll work that out. Oh, they're a bit weak, aren't they? I have to think of something else now. I believe how feeble they were. I'm just cutting all these along here. You can see through there, can't you? And I'm just numbering them as I go. So they'll sit in the same place. 1, 2, 3. Just number them along because it's slightly, it's straight, but it's on an angle, isn't it? So I just want to make sure that everyone fits nicely and none of them are wrong. And it'll just look really good. She's looking really good already. I'm really happy with it. So I've just had a thought. And this is why I don't like to go, well, I can't do plans anyway. It's not that I don't like to go off them, I'm just no good at them. Because she's going to put clothes on and she's going to put stuff under here and probably shoes on top of here, I'm going to do 2 lids. Then she doesn't have to clear all the shoes off if she wants to go underneath. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think what I'll do is, that's the middle there. Put a piece of wood across there and do 2 lids. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Right, so I'm going to make that now into a lift off lid. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. That'll do probably. Measure that. Just trying to think now. Because it needs to go over the edge a bit. Does it need to go over the edge the other way? It doesn't, does it? Right, so I'll put that onto there. And then I need that bit there, don't I? Because that's, there's a bit that goes out. I'll do this first and then I'll think about that. So I'll mark that off and cut that. So it's getting well on its way now, and I'm just going to give it a final sand off. I don't know where to go, which turn to take. All laying in front of me.
Oh, that looks wonderful, doesn't it? You've done really well there, haven't you?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do indeed. You just don't know what to expect, what you're going to do, but you've done something really, really good there. You really, do they open up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Just wrecked.
Isn't that it?
I don't know, you're not showing it off very well. There.
Ow.
Just wrecked it.
I haven't wrecked it.
What do you think?
I think it's really good. I think you've done really well. I wouldn't have thought of that. I think you've done really clever.
Are you really pleased with it?
Yeah, I generally am. Because, you know, I was thinking I don't know what we're going to get here, but you've done really, really well.
Thanks.
You've done really well indeed. And good storage use as well, because you have to hang things on these as well, won't you, on the end bits. Honestly, it's really, really good. It really is. Anyway, you won't have to clean it, don't you? If you get dust underneath it, it can be a nightmare, but you can just lift it up, can't you?
Yeah, thanks. Oh.
Really good, well done you.
I don't know what to do or where to go. I'm walking down this road, banjo in tow, looking for you. Shoo-doo-be-doo. I don't know where to go, which turn to take.